आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, so our today's question is evaluate integration of sin x upon sin 4x dx. So for solution part, what we are going to do, we are going to use the identity that sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x. We are going to use it here. So this will become integration of sin x upon 2 times of sin 2x cos 2x dx. Again we are going to use the same identity for this. So this will become integration of sin x. This 2 is a constant, so it will come out of the integration, upon 2 sin x cos x cos 2x dx. This 2 is a constant, so this will come out of the integration again. So this and this sin x will get cancelled out. So this will become 1 upon 4 integration of, what we will do, we will multiply and divide cos x here to solve this question. So cos x upon, this will be cos square x cos 2x dx. Now we will convert this cos x in denominator to sin x. So for this we are going to use sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So the value of cos square x will be 1 minus sin square x. And for this we are going to use that cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is an identity. And this 2 is an identity. We are going to use them here. So we will get 1 upon 4 integration of cos x dx upon 1 minus sin square x into 1 minus 2 cos 2 sin square x. Now we will use the substitution here. We will take sin x as t. So what we are going to do, we will take sin x as t. On differentiating it, we will get differentiation of sin x is cos x. So cos x dx is equals to dt. So we will put the value of sin x as t and the value of this as dt. So our integration will become 1 upon 4 times integration of dt upon 1 minus t square into 1 minus 2t square. Now we will have to solve this. So for solving this, we are going to use a trick here. What we will do, we will write it as 1 upon 4 times integration of 2 times of 1 minus t square minus 1 minus 2t square upon dt upon the denominator 1 minus t square multiplied by 1 minus 2t square. This is, on solving this, we will get the value 1. This is having the value 1. So there is no change in this. This is same as this. So we can do this. Now what we are going to do, we will solve this. 1 upon 4 integration of 2 times 1 minus t square upon 1 minus t square multiplied by 1 minus 2t square. This will get cancelled out here, dt minus 1 upon 4 times integration of 1 minus 2t square dt upon 1 minus t square 1 minus 2t square. Here 1 minus 2t square will get cancelled out. Now what we are having, 1 upon 4 times, this 2 is a constant, so it will come out of the integration and it will be 1 upon 2. Integration of dt upon 1 minus 2t square minus 1 by 4 times integration of dt upon 1 minus t square. this we are having. Now we are using the integration formula. What the formula is? The integration of, this is of the form a square minus x square. So the formula we are going to use here, a square minus x square, is 1 upon 2a log mod a plus x upon a minus x. This is the formula. This we are going to use here. Okay. So in both we will use this formula. So this will become 1 by 2 times. Here we will take 2 common. So this will become integration of dt upon 1 by 2 minus t square. Minus 1 upon 4 times. This will become 1 by 2 times a. A here is 1. So into 1 log of mod a plus x. 1 plus t upon 1 minus t. This will be this. Now this is 1 upon 2. That is 1 upon root to the power 2. So we will apply the formula. The value of a is 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon 4 1 multiplied by, this is 1 upon 4 multiplied by, now we are using this 1 upon 2 times a. A is 1 upon root 2 log mod a plus x. A is 1 upon root 2 plus t upon 1 upon root 2 minus t minus 1 upon 4 to the 8 log 1 plus t upon 1 minus t. So we are having this. Now we will put the value of t. The value of t as assumed by us. Sin x, we assume sin x as t here. We assume sin x as t. So we will put the value of t here. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 1 upon 4 root 2 log. We will take LCM also. So this will be 1 plus root 2 sin x upon 1 minus root 2 sin x minus 1 upon 8 log 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. So this is the value of integration that we have to find. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।